I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to redeem a Nintendo eShop gift card. Step 1. Open a web browser and navigate to www.nintendo.com. Log into your Nintendo account if you're not logged in already. Step 2. Scroll down to the bottom of this screen and then click Redeem a Code. The Redeem a Code screen is shown. Step 3. On the back of your Nintendo eShop gift card, peel off the sticker to reveal the 16-digit code. Step 4. Enter that code into the 16-digit code field on the website and then click Next. The next screen will show you your original balance and the amount of funds that will be added to your Nintendo account. Review this information and then click Add Funds. The next screen will confirm that the funds have been added to your Nintendo account and show you your Nintendo account balance. You'll now be able to use those funds to make purchases in the Nintendo eShop. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.